Mythbuster lesson number 6. Here's the myth. You need HRT to feel better, but the truth is that most symptoms improve when you fix stress and you balance progesterone. Many women think hormone replacement therapy is the only way to feel better, but most symptoms women struggle with, fatigue, anxiety, sleep issues, weight gain, they come from stress hormones and low progesterone, not estrogen deficiency. See, estrogen is not the starting point. Progesterone and cortisol are. When progesterone drops, your body loses its calming, stabilizing hormone. When cortisol rises, or if it's too low, it is from chronic stress and it disrupts sleep, mood, metabolism, cravings, and energy. Estrogen replacement won't fix any of that. In fact, adding estrogen on top of estrogen dominance makes symptoms worse. Most women feel dramatically better when they lower their cortisol, restore progesterone balance, and support their stress response. HRT might be helpful for some women, but it's not the first step. When you fix stress and progesterone first, everything changes. Your saliva test inside the learner level shows you exactly where your imbalance starts.